Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick tip. And this is one that I should have shared ages ago. It's something that I take very much for granted, and I thought I really ought to go through this for new crafters. I've got to the end of my stamping seal, and you know that you have when you see the red tape there, and you basically can't go any further in terms of putting any more adhesive on. Nothing else will come out, so you've got to the end of your tape. Now, you don't have to buy a full new cartridge. You can just buy the refill, so this saves you a lot of money. The refill has got 15 meters, 16.4 yards of adhesive on it, so they do last for quite a while, but I do a lot of crafting and so I go through these quite quickly. So the way that we actually replace the cartridge in this is that you just pull apart the two halves like this, and you can see I've got quite a few smudges of adhesive actually on this, and I'll show you about cleaning it. So what we do is we're going to take out our stamping seal, the old one that's got to the end, and we've got here a brand new one. And you can just peel the top where there's a little notch and then pull this apart. It's the most difficult thing, I think. So pull that apart and you've got your cartridge, brand new cartridge, ready to go. So it will only fit in one way round. You've got these little sort of cross shapes here, and what you do is you just line that up over the top and slip that on, and you can see that there's actually some adhesive ready to roll around just there. Now I use this opportunity as well to do a bit of cleaning, so before I actually start I'm going to give this a clean, and I do this with some rubbing alcohol. This is the rubbing alcohol is what I use for cleaning most of my things. It's not something that we stock, it's something that you will need to get separate. So, and I'm just putting a bit of rubbing alcohol on some kitchen towel and then using that to clean off the adhesive that I've got on this tape runner. And you might need to put a little bit of elbow grease into it if, like me, you've got plenty on here. So just give that a good clean up, and this half too. And then when we've got it, oops, I've got that pretty clean. Just go over it with a dry bit of the cloth. It may make your plastic go a little bit misty, but you can still usually see through it well enough to see when you're at the end of a tape, which is the main thing. The other bit to get is this bit here where the tape actually gets dispensed, because that bit can get a bit gummed up. So I usually give that a bit of a clean as well. So once we've got all that cleaned up, we take our brand new one. Again, you can tell which is the used one. You can see the red tape. So this is the new one, and like I say, we're just going to pop that in there, and then you fasten the other half of it over the top. Still got a little bit there that needs a bit of a clean up, and there we've got our tape all ready to roll again. And might just need to move it on a tiny bit, and there we are, we're rolling again. So like I say, you don't need to buy a whole new tape dispenser. You just buy the refill, and when I grab my catalogue. I'll put the number, oh here it is. I've got one handy. So you'll find this here in the back. So number 5, stamping seal, which is £7.50 for the full unit, and then the refill is just £5. So once you've had one of these, you just need the refill. So I hope that helps. Please subscribe below to see a quick tip every Friday and a quick card every Monday. Thank you for stopping by.